treats.
Your Chicky treats? Yeah, show me, Avery. The Easter Bunny listened. He got you Chicky treats. What else is in there, honey? What else is in your basket?
More Chicky treats.
Pink and purple.
Pink is my favorite color.
What else did you get? Easter fish crackers.
Pink.
Huh?
Pink.
I think they're fish crackers. But keep looking. There might be paint in there, maybe.
Hey, Lise.
Here, let's get Lacey her basket. Lacey? Here, honey, look what's in your basket. Lacey, here you go. There's your basket. What else is in there, Avery?
I'm gonna go at the table.
Okay. Lacey.